here's how to save a Word document as a PDF on the iPad. Let me get started, and if this is your first time on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything. So whenever you locate your Word document in the Files app, for example, you can tap on it to open it with whichever app is the default. But instead, I would recommend you to hold down on it instead to see more options. One of the things which pops up is if you have any PDF editors downloaded on your device like I do. For example, there is one called literally PDF Editor or even Adobe Acrobat. I can use these apps to open my existing Word document. So if I would click on the Adobe Acrobat, I can open it through that app, and it allows me to click on a Create PDF, and it just turns the Word document into a PDF using this app. So that's one option. Another very cool example would be to, instead of going through the PDF editor right away, open it through a different text editor. In my case, I like to go through the Apple Pages app, and it opens up through the Apple Pages interface. I can perform some changes to it, but the point is that I would export it again and then pick a different file format. So I can go with the Pages interface, click Share, Export, and choose PDF for that document and save it as a separate file to my Files app or whatever else I decide. So it depends on which option you prefer, but yeah, I like to do it this way, so let me know if it worked for you as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hopefully get to see you later in the next videos as well.